We need to bring the youth back. They promised something else, they showed something, some dreams. And I think, I don't know how many Goans are actually getting jobs here, forget about only the youth. Many people are migrating outside for jobs. Yesterday only I visited Kurturen. There the major question people were questioning was, our kids are not studying beyond 10th standard. Why? Because they are called off from the Navy people. Ships that come during their halting season in Goa collect those people to work as waiters, and the criteria for that collection is only 10th standard. So they are not only stopping a right to education for a kid, minimum at least till 12th standard of graduation, they are not even giving the employment also. So education is a very much bigger issue that is hampering Goa. Besides the major things, since I am a doctor, I like to talk more on education and the medical facilities. But the Bhutani and the land grab issue which is going on, the moment you enter Mopa airport, you see a huge, as if you are entering Dubai or something, a big huge banner of Bhutani land given to that Bhutani person is seen. So I think all these issues are very well vocally raised by the local Congress LOP as well as the President of the Goa Congress Committee, Shri Amit Patkarji. And as well as the spokespersons who are there, they are also every time raising the issue. I think even Captain our MP from South is also raising it in Parliament, along with proudly to say, my leader of opposition in Parliament, Shri Rahul Gandhi, speaking against Adani and Ambani sale which is going on by the Modi government to these people only. We are fighting on streets for you all. We are fighting for your rights, for a better future for Goa, for a better future for the country. And that's why we are talking on saving the constitution also. I think today only Rahulji was in Ranchi. He spoke on how these BJP people are not even giving the honor, the constitution, the book which is given by Baba Saheb Ambedkar ji for us to live on this earth, where these people like STs, SCs are given at least credentials to at least breathe this fresh air given by God to them, their own right. That's what we are fighting for. But that also, this coal mining and all, the air is also in Goa is polluted now. It's all because of this BJP double engine Sarkar which is running in Goa for the past, I think last term also, this term also, along with the central government. And my beloved sir here told me that BJP work very hard on the ground and we Congress workers don't work hard on the ground, and you need to build your cadre and all. Sir, but I don't speak lies. The statistics shown by the Lok Sabha this year, I speak on proof. I don't speak just. If my cadre is not on ground, if my girls are not working, if my youth is not working, if my block adhyaksha is not working, why are we 2,000 to 3,000 ahead in Lok Sabha in your constituency? Because of your blessings only. You have blessed Congress. You want to be with Congress. You are there for us. All I am asking for you, from you people, is to have a little faith in us and a lots and lots of patience, because we are also tired fighting this brushed BJP Sarkar. The more tired than what you people are also, because more vocal, we are fighting on the streets, we are fighting in the assembly, we are fighting in the parliament, everywhere. And I know few days, few years years are like that. दूर नहीं है अभी. We together only will surely in 2027 bring majority of the Congress MLAs with people's support of Goa, and I am sure not a simple majority but a huge majority with huge margins, sir. And I am very confident, because if you are not doing that, you are not faithful to yourself. You are not faithful to the back, which is telling you every day going on this pothole roads that I am hurting now, I can't go to take you to the old age. You have to be in the hospital now. So to take care of yourself, at least you have to be faithful to yourself and be with the Congress party. And I am sure we candidates the Congress party, but we are open to suggestions, sir. Surely, though 2,000-3,000 more we have got in parliament, I am sure we'll build up a strong cadre down, right from the booth level till the block, from the Mahila to the youth. We will surely build, we'll need your cooperation also, sir. Not only I, but we, it's a teamwork. We will surely get this 2027 for Congress. And I'm sure, speaking on the defectors, I don't want to speak much on Gaddars, because I don't want to waste my precious time on people who don't care for their mothers, who don't care for the party, who don't care for the mother who has groomed them so he could face the world outside. If he can defect, it's his loss. हम तो चलते रहेंगे. हमारा लीडर कन्याकुमारी से कश्मीर, मणिपुर से मुंबई तक चला है. हमारा इतिहास ही गांधी जी का इतिहास है. We are born to work for the people on the ground. We are born to do सत्याग्रह. We are born to do that. 70 साल हमने लोगों के लिए काम किया है. अभी आपके साथ हाथ से हाथ मिला के हम और ज़्यादा रास्ते पे और चलेंगे, रास्ते पे चलते रहेंगे जब तक आप लोगों को न्याय नहीं मिलेगा. थैंक यू, धन्यवाद, जय हिंद.